Hello guys, good morning to our last day in Tulum. We are gonna be leaving, not done our Mexico adventure. We are gonna be going to Cancun. Hello people of the nation. I'm gonna go downstairs to do some touring. I want to show you guys what it looks like downstairs. This is what it's like here. And then there's seating in this area. We have to take a picture here later. Hindi ko dinala yung phone ko. Airbnb tour! So it looks like. The pool downstairs. The first room. May model. Ayan, may model. Go. Nagugas pa siya ng kamay. This is the dining room. And the kitchen that we never used. Another washroom over here. I'm gonna go in there. And then the last room. With light fixtures. There you go. And that is our Airbnb. We're gonna eat our breakfast. We like to eat street food, so yeah, we're getting street food, tacos again, as always. Of course, we're in Mexico, so we have to eat tacos before we return all of our bikes.
Pork, también cochinita.
Oh, cochinita.
What's that?
Sausage.
Salsa verde.
Beef, pork, chicharron.
Ay, tú también. 1 kilo nomás acá voy a
Delicioso.
We just returned our bikes, and then now we're gonna go get some more tacos, and then after that we're gonna go back to our Airbnb, and we're gonna get picked up at 11, and it's almost 11 actually, but gutom pa kami guys, gutom pa. We just got to Cancun and we're having our lunch. There's no seaweed. The beach looks so beautiful. It's blue with no seaweed. Yay! Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Look.
Isipin mo ulit.
When you haven't even checked in yet. Someone is already drunk. Pinagdadaanan si Rod. We are now finally swimming. Actually not yet. We're just waiting for our scent because she is changing. When your friend can make it to Mexico. She's gonna go sunbathing. This is Gabe, you guys. Gabriel Benson. He doesn't want to swim. Just stay there, okay? I think he wants she wants
alone time.
She wants sunscreen. Sige natin. Oh, Gabe, wait. Sunscreen time. Sorry. Tumama yung actually. Okay. time. We finished at the beach. Now we're on our way to the jacuzzi. And wow, it's so nice here. Guys, this is my first time in an all-inclusive trip. So I'm amazed at everything. Snow Moana. Oh my God! Frozen from The Incredibles.
Frozone.
Good morning, guys! We're just having our breakfast, and then after that, we're gonna go and explore Cancun downtown. Ang sarap ng sausage.
Chef special.
Mahulog.
This Michael Jackson.
Mexican Michael Jackson. Hasta Mexican Madonna.
I'm Hagardo Versosa now, but we are still in the market. 500, and this one cannot decide if he's gonna buy it or not.
Yeah, I'll just buy it.
Oh, he's gonna buy it. So everybody bought something. This one bought shirt. I didn't buy anything for myself.
Put on, have a great buffet lunch, fish, chicken, salad, eat anything you want, okay? And then the rest of the day we spend.
On the way back to our hotel, there's a lot of people here. So transportation. Hi guys!
Kuha ka na.
Hi guys! Wait, I'm vlogging! Kulit nitong batang to ay. Hi guys, so we just...
Kuha ka na ng pineapple.
Kulit pineapple. Kuha to. I should take some pineapples now. Wait, let me just update them. So guys, we just finished. We are all so sweaty and tired. We came from the Mercado 28. Mercado 28. We got a lot of discounted price. You know what? You know why? Because of Pacquiao. Okay, every time we walk by a store, everybody would say Pacquiao price. So a lot of our shopping here, not just here, but also in Tulum as well, is discounted because of Pacquiao. Manny Pacquiao. So thank you so much. So for all the Filipinos out there, when you go to Mexico, ask for Pacquiao price. Kain na kain. Guys, we're canoeing.
Welcome to my vlog.
We're canoeing in Mexico Gulf. Just kidding. I don't know. Mexico Lagoon. I don't know. We only have about 20 minutes.
Ganda ng combination.
Oh, I know. We're just friends. Arsent and Ralph is over there. Then Charlie is a loner over there. He doesn't want to be with anybody. We are here again, and guess what we're doing? Of course, we are eating. Always and forever. We're eating our dinner. And then after this, I think we're gonna go to another show. I think it's acrobatic. I was gonna say exotic. I was gonna say exotic show. No, it's acrobatic show today.
Simula nung naglaban sila ni ano. I'll get the Caesar Carnini salad with chicken, but just a little bit of Parmesan cheese, not a little bit. Yeah.
Ano yung scarab?
Parang sa kayo sarap na sarap, ayaw namin ni Jared.
Sarap kaya yung sa...
Grabe naman kaya. Ito na.
Sorry. That is where we're eating for dinner today. Bogavante is the name of that restaurant. Everybody is eating dinner right now. I just quickly went down here because it's super nice. I don't know if you guys can tell by the quality, but the sky and like the sea is so blue and it's just so nice to look at. So I just wanted to shoot it for a little bit. But anyway, today is our second last day here in Cancun. Tomorrow we're gonna be doing our last day. We're gonna be doing excursion. I wanted to go down here because I don't think I'll have any chance to come down here and do some vlogging. So hello, there you go guys. This is the Cancun Sea right here. Caribe By Solaris Hotel. Before I go back, I'm gonna go take a shot of them over there because they're right here. Wala pa yakin? Okay, I'm gonna go back and eat dinner. I'm hungry. Salud, familia! Woo! Party actually.